We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this HP CM1415 printer, and we're going to show you how to replace your toner cartridges. So if you've noticed that you've been getting a low toner or replace toner warning, we're going to show you how to get it taken care of. It's a very simple process. First thing you want to do is to make sure you take note of whatever color toner it's telling you needs to be replaced. Once you know what colors need to be replaced, we're going to go ahead and lower this front cover. To do that, there's this little handhold at the top of the front of the printer. So you're just going to put your hand in there, pull and lower this all the way down. Once that's down, then we're going to go ahead and slide out our toner tray. To do that, there's this blue handle here. You're just going to squeeze it and slide that toner tray all the way out. So now once you have that removed, now we're going to find whichever color needs to be replaced. In this case, it's magenta. So we're going to reach in. There's a little handle at the front of each toner cartridge. So you're just going to grab that handle and pull straight up and remove that toner cartridge. So now you're going to make sure you have your new toner cartridge unpacked and ready to use. Anytime you get it or you're using a new toner cartridge, please take a second and look it over. Make sure that nothing looks broken or damaged. There's no packing material left on the cartridge. And once you're good to go and you feel confident that everything's been removed, then we're going to install the toner cartridge into the printer. Now it is really important that you don't scratch this drum. If you scratch this drum, then it's going to cause a print defect. So you need to be really careful when you're going to put this in the printer. You want to take a second, make sure you actually have it lined all the way up, and then lower straight down into the toner tray. Now once that's in, you're going to repeat that for any and all toner cartridges that need to be replaced. Once you're done, then we're just going to close this toner tray, push it in until it clicks and locks into position. Now we can raise this front cover until it clicks and locks into place. So now what's going to happen is the printer is going to take a second to initialize and run a calibration to make sure that everything's working properly and line up all the colors properly. And once that's done and the screen goes back to its normal ready state, then you'll be good to go and you'll be back up and printing. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer this for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help supply this for you as well. We hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.